Pasta alla carrettiera, a traditional Sicilian dish, a true journey through Mediterranean flavors that encapsulates the genuine taste of the island. Cut the red chili pepper into small pieces. Mince the garlic. Make a cross-shaped incision at the bottom of the tomatoes. Immerse them in boiling water for 30 seconds. Drain the tomatoes, let them cool, and then peel them. Cut them into cubes. In a bowl, marinate the tomatoes, minced garlic, chili pepper, basil, a pinch of salt, and extra virgin olive oil for 1 hour. Cook the bucatini. Plate the pasta, add the tomatoes, and finish with a generous sprinkle. Enjoy your meal, and keep cooking with Cookaround.